never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna be trying to see if I can do an old style that I used to love to do all the time. Now I know a lot of us naturals love to do it, so I'm about to see if I can do a puff again. As you guys know, I recently did cut my hair, like I shaped it back to this style that I like. A lot of volume on top, but I still have my length on the bottom. So yeah, my hair had been growing super long, as I told you guys, and it grew to the point that I couldn't do a puff anymore, and I was really upset about that. Like, y'all, I loved my puff, especially when you first grow natural and that's like one of your go-to styles and you really don't know what you're doing with your hair, so you like, I'm gonna do a puff. Puffs come out so cute on like everybody. Like, I love me a cute puff, and you get to do the edges and all that, and it's cute. It looks super cute in the summertime too, especially when it gets hot and you don't got all that time for your hair. You just want it out your face, you can put it up, and I just love being able to rock puffs. But my hair had grown to the point that I couldn't do a puff anymore, so when I tried to modify it, it really wasn't a puff, it was more like a bun. Now I think I'll probably be able to do a puff again. Now I know I recently did a like ponytail type of video, and that style still worked for me because my hair was long. You know, when you're bringing longer hair that's in the front and going back, a ponytail still looked good. But as far as a puff, it wasn't looking right. I'm about to see if I can do a puff again, since now my hair is shorter on top. So, you know, if it's shorter on top, that'll be able to give me that, you know, that shape. And in the back, even though it's still long in the back, it's gonna, you know, be stretching up, so it should even out. Yeah, y'all feel me? Do y'all feel me? My hair, it looks so good right now. I'm looking in the mirror. It looks so good right now. I love wash and goes on like the second, third day, and that's what it is right now, and I'm loving how this looks. But I gotta see if I can do my puff. I got my water here, and I always like to spray it a little bit because it helps make it a lot easier to work with. I don't want it drenched, just like a little damp. Alright, now just to put some like moisture in it and help with the styling, I'm gonna use some of the Cream of Nature coconut milk curl repair leave-in, and this just became a new fave. This reminds me a lot of the Cantu Shea Butter coconut curling cream. Take a good little amount, and I'm gonna just use this for the front and the back. Just smooth this front, smooth it in the back, and then all throughout, just squeeze it. Now I'm gonna go in with the new gel that I've been using, which is Wetline Extreme. Be sure to check out my video before this so y'all can hear more of what I think about Wetline Extreme. I'll link it in the cards, whatever side it's on up there. I'm gonna take a pretty good amount and just smooth it in. Now taking my little, what is this called? Boar bristle brush. Yeah, my little one here. Just smooth it in. And this is smoothing my hair so good. Now we're all nice and smooth. I have my handy dandy poofit string. As I told y'all, this string is my life. Place it right here in the middle. And I bring it behind my ears. It's the same way I did it in my older puff video. I crisscross the back and then push up. Can get kind of tangly. Cross it. Now I'm just gonna tie it in the back. And these strings pretty much hide up under the puff. So this piece is hanging kind of long. I don't know what's going on. But let's mess with it. Y'all, I feel it coming back. Well, actually it is kind of long in the back. I don't know, hold up. These long pieces in the back though, they can be tucked. Just kind of tuck them or smush them in the puff, you know? No, this little piece, I don't know what's going on with it. But I have like different curl patterns in my hair. So like this little piece here is this like 3B section that's in my hair. So that's hanging a little bit. Like I said, I can tuck it like that. It's a lot easier being able to modify it now, unlike how I was trying to do it. So I can still work with this. My puff is so big, you barely fit in the screen. She's back. All right, so no, I just went ahead and, you know, laid my edges down a little bit. Nothing too crazy, something real slight. And I just bobby pinned that back area that was kind of longer in the back, because that's another spot where my curl pattern is different, y'all. My curl pattern be different throughout my hair. Like the back area, it's a little section that kind of droops a little bit lower than the rest. Plus my hair, like I said, it is longer in the back, so I just kind of bobby pinned and tucked it up, looking nice. And anything else that was kind of out of place, I just tucked it up in it. And besides that, I think it's looking pretty good. You know what I'm saying? The puff is like a very go-to style for me, and I'm like so happy that I can do it again now. The puff is perfect for lazy days when you don't feel like doing your hair, when it's hot as hell in the summertime, when you just want your hair out of your face. You know, it's got so many good benefits when you first transition and you don't know what you're doing with your hair. Yeah, the puff. So was I able to do my puff again? Yes, I think it looks really good, y'all. I'm so excited to have my puff back. It looks like my puff video I did like a year ago. Just very big and fluffy, extra big hair. Now because my hair is still kind of long, it still kind of, you know, droops. Like it really like a pineapple now. Because you know how the pineapple leaves kind of like spill out? This is a real pineapple puff. Because like when my hair was a lot shorter than this, or even shorter, it kind of looks more of like a circle, a little ball. I'll try to put like some pictures in and show y'all, because now it kind of like, you know what I'm saying, kind of flopped down, but it's still a nice puff shape. And yes, I'm definitely gonna be wearing this because I feel like the summertime probably gonna be hot. So if you're somebody that used to be able to do a puff and your hair has grown out too long, you're like, dang, how can I get my puff back? You might just want to cut your hair a little bit. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, that's how I was pretty much able to get it back, because it's shorter on the top, like I said, and still long in the back. So let me know in the comments if you love doing a puff on your hair, or if you can't do it anymore, or if you're just transitioned and your hair hasn't grown to the point of doing a puff yet, or you're almost at the stage of doing a puff. Let me know all that in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you are instantly notified whenever I post a new video here on my channel. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.
Sometimes I'm mystery, sometimes I'm free, depending on my mood or my attitude.